Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Muhammad Noman. Welcome to Advanced English Grammar. In our today video, we're going to talk about here the reciprocal pronoun. Which is the type of the pronoun? What does it mean, a reciprocal pronoun? And where we can use them correctly. So now let's talk about them in detail. A reciprocal pronoun is used to express a mutual action or relationship. We use the reciprocal pronoun when there is a mutual action or relationship. We use the reciprocal pronoun. The action is gone in two directions. Example is here: whenever I do something for you and you do something for me, that will be called the reciprocal pronoun. And actually, we are reciprocating the feelings or the actions with one another or each other. I like you, you like me. They are called the reciprocal pronouns. There are two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. But before discussing them, here is a misconception. Here is a little bit confusion among the students, so I'm going to clear you about that. Each other and one another, they are two separate words. Okay? They will not be written as a whole. Each other and one another. The space must be here, but you should not write here the hyphen. Okay? The space must be here. And they are both, each other and one another, they are considered as a singular. They are not representing as a plural. Each other and one another, you cannot say like this, each other's, not at all. There is no plural form of each other as well as one another's, not at all. There is only one form of these two reciprocal pronouns. Now let's talk about each other and one another in detail. Each other is used to refer to only two people. Whenever the action is done, the action is shared, the mutual action is there between the two people, between the two persons, then we use each other. Example is here: the two sisters are talking to each other. Now look at here, you can see the two sisters, only two sisters are there, not more than that. The mutual action is between the two persons, between the two people. Then we use each other. Each other. One another, where we can use one another. One another is used to refer to two or more people. Then we use the reciprocal pronoun one another. When there is a mutual action or feelings and that is shared, that is distributed among the people, among the students, among more than two, so there we can use one another. Okay? Okay. Our example is here: all the sisters are talking to one another. All the sisters. Now you can see it here that they are more than two. So there we can use one another. But many authors and many writers in the modern English, they say that they will be used interchangeably. You can use each other instead of one another, and you can use one another instead of each other. They are used interchangeably. There is no issue, no problem. Okay, is reason. Okay, another point is here, the reciprocal pronoun can also show possession. It can also show the ownership, who owns something, the possession or the relationship. Example is here. Okay, each other's, one another's. And remember that we use the apostrophe, we can write the apostrophe with singular pronoun. Now look at here, each other's. I have written over here a comma plus s. It shows what? Apostrophe plus s. It shows relationship, possession, ownership, one another's. Examples are here. They helped to look after each other's children. Now look at here, it shows the possession. Each others, it shows what? The possession. Each other. No, we often stayed in one another's houses. No, here they show the possession. I have written another sentence over here, and that is, we are made for one another. Or you can also use here each other. They are used interchangeably. So we are made for one another and each other. It depends on your sense. You can use them here interchangeably. We are made for one another and each other. We don't know here that we, what does it mean? Here of the we. We may be two persons or people or more than that. It depends on your sense. Okay, so it was the today class. Inshallah, in the next class we will be talking about the relative pronouns in detail. The name of our channel is Spread the Useful Knowledge. We are also going, inshallah, to start the new class about the computer MS Office, and other topics will be brought very soon, inshallah, at the front of you. Must like my videos, share with your friends, with your relatives, and inshallah I will guide you, I will teach a lot of things to you, and must subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Spread the Useful Knowledge. Thanks a lot of you. Thanks a bundle.